Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2001 Toyota Tacoma. The battery is quick to find in the front right corner of the engine bay. With a bracket that lays right on top, removing the battery should be quick and easy in the event that it needs to be replaced. The transmission fluid dipstick is easy to find towards the left of the engine and can be removed quickly without having to reach deep into the engine bay. The engine air filter is easy to find towards the front left corner of the engine bay. No tools are needed to remove the cover, and the filter itself slides out in a flash. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The petcock is located behind the skid plate underneath the vehicle. You will have to disengage multiple bolts before you can remove it, which makes draining the radiator that much more time-consuming. The oil filter is located behind a panel and underneath the vehicle on the driver's side. Removing this panel will require tools and is an added step that similar vehicles will not have. The jack handle will need to be assembled in order to lower the spare tire from beneath the vehicle. This is an unintuitive design, as the tire's exposure to the elements may cause it to rust to the undercarriage and get stuck. Overall, the 2001 Toyota Tacoma is a moderately easy car to maintain, but prospective owners should be prepared for some unusual and difficult repairs.